Okay, so to take that slide lock off, I've taken the grip module off just because I was demonstrating that for you guys. We're just going to take this spring out. So I'm going to pull it out of the front side here, and we're just going to remove it. Okay, and it comes out just like that. So the front side was in a hole in the frame. Okay. Next, what you have is a right here. There's a small pin, a very small pin, and that's the pin that's hard to remove when the slide lock is pinned over. Okay. And that pin should push straight up. All right. You can see it rests in this hole right here. Okay, so what you want to do is push that pin through. In this case, I can't actually push it through because the slide lock is pinned over right here, but this is just an example. I'm actually not going to remove it right now. You push that pin through and the slide lock will pull right out. Okay, and then you can replace it with a new one. So far I'm happy with mine the way it's working, and there's a little bit of peening that's stopping that pin from coming through, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it right now just the way it is. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.